In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Bitbucket password. Whether you've forgotten your current password or simply want to change it for security reasons, updating it is a straightforward process that can enhance your overall account security. Let's dive into the steps to make these changes easily and effectively. First things first, you'll want to log into your Bitbucket account using your current credentials. Now, once you're logged in and on the home page, you'll need to direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your personal avatar or profile picture. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to the personalization and security settings needed for your Bitbucket account. From this drop-down menu, select the Bitbucket Settings option. This is where you'll find all the necessary options to manage your account settings effectively. Once inside the Settings menu, you'll encounter various sections such as Profile and Visibility, Email, Security, Privacy, Account Preferences, Connected Apps, Link Preferences, and Product Settings. They're pretty self-explanatory, but for our purpose today, we want to head over to the Security section. In the Security section, you'll find all the relevant controls to help keep your account safe. Look for the option to manage your account password. Clicking this will direct you to the password management page. Now, it's time to enter your current password, followed by the new password you'd like to use. Make sure your new password is strong. Consider using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to bolster your account's security. After entering your new password, make sure to save your changes. And just like that, you've updated your Bitbucket password. Remember, changing your password periodically is a good practice to keep your account secure. If you ever face any challenges while changing your password, Bitbucket's help and support documentation can be a good resource for additional guidance. That about wraps it up. I hope you found this guide on how to change your Bitbucket password simple and useful. Regularly updating your password adds an extra layer of protection, helping keep your data secure. Thanks for watching, and do let us know in the comments if this was helpful or if there are other Bitbucket tutorials you'd like us to cover. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.